What's going on, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover a dog crate, kind of like a sleeping / dog crate, and it's by the company EHEYCIGA. I think that's how you say that. And let's just look over this thing. I did put it together here, and I'll show you in the instructions. I got it in a small box, and it had these set of instructions. You see how it mounts up in like a little suitcase? How cool is that? These two handles will collapse up, and I will collapse it up and show you what it looks like while it's collapsed up, and then you pull it down and it basically just snaps into place just like this, and you have a dog crate. And looking over it here, I'm going to show y'all some of the features on there. Check this out. These zippers are actually locking zippers. They will lock together, so that way the dog that's in here, see that? You can't unlock these. So if you paw away at it right there, it will not open. It'll just keep going down like that. So that's a cool feature. And you see these right here. This is where it kind of collapses together. When you come, it comes with a pocket here for treats or maybe some collars or whatever, a leash or something like that. It comes with a nice sturdy handle, so you can grab the two ends of the handle right here and pick it up. And then there's an upper part right here. And this upper part unzips like this, and it rolls up, and that's what that Velcro is. Same way on the other side. You unzip it here like that, and this will roll up like that, and you see how the Velcro will do that. And what I like about this, if you just want to have it as just like a sleeping like crate, really good for the dog to come and go and sleep in there. But you can see, you can open every one of the doors up. See how the doors open up? And this right here is removable. That's on a, and you see how it has a waterproof pad, so that if they do, you know, go in the bathroom inside there, you can take that out and clean it. But there's another feature on the inside that I want to show y'all. You see this? That's a dog leash. So that way, while you're traveling, if they're acting up, you can leash them down inside of here, and that way they don't try to like paw away and get out of here. Let me go ahead and get my little Remo over here, and let's put him in it, and I can show y'all on him inside of there and show you exactly what it looks like. See him down in there. See, I'll have the top open. He doesn't get nervous because he's actually slept in this thing before, so I can move this around and he won't jump out of here. But if I want, I can close this up, and now it's technically a dog crate. Hey Remo, he's in jail. This is what he does if we're traveling and I'm taking him somewhere and I just don't want him jumping around the car and getting on the seats and all that. This makes it perfect for just picking him up just like this and going, because he will lay down in there and sleep. And then if I want to give him a little extra room, I can lift this up, and you see, he likes this cushion so much, he'll just stay in there. He doesn't even want to get out. Let me go ahead and close it up and show y'all exactly what it looks like while it's closed up. So let's do that. All right, there it is, everybody. I closed it up. Look how nice and compact that thing is. You can throw this in the trunk of a car or under a seat of a car, and that thing is ready to go. The pad, everything's in there. That's all I got today, everybody, on the EHEYCIGA dog sleeping bed / crate. See you guys in the next video. Woo!